Start.
Hello everyone, this is Isha and today I am going to be showing you how to make the honeycomb bracelet which looks like this. To make this bracelet, you need rubber bands, an S-clip or C-clip and hook and the loom. So before we get started, I would like to tell you to keep the loom in such a position with the open sides of the pegs facing away from you. So without further talks, let's get started. So first you will need a rubber band. You're gonna take it from the first middle peg and stretch it diagonally towards the left. Now you're gonna take another rubber band and stretch it from that peg up straight. Now you're gonna take a rubber band and stretch it from this peg to the middle. Now you're gonna go back to the starting and stretch a rubber band diagonally towards the right. You're gonna stretch one straight and then to the middle. This is how one hexagon should look. Now let's start with the second hexagon, taking this as the first center pin. You're gonna stretch it diagonally towards the left. You're gonna take it straight and then back to the middle. You're gonna go back and stretch it towards the right, stretch it up and stretch it like this. You have to continue the same process until the end of the loom. So this is how your loom should look at the end. Now you're going to flip the loom around
You should maintain your pace.
You're supposed to flip over the loom, and now you're going to put a cap band on this peg. To make a cap band, you're going to stretch it, make an infinity sign and get it together and put it on the loom. Now let's start the hooking process. To hook it first, you are going to stretch the cap band, hold the first band on top, hold the first band and stretch it. Now you're going to stretch the band, the bottom band, and hook it on the next peg. You're going to take the bottom band and hook it to the next peg. You're going to go where you started and pull the cap band again, hold the rubber band and hook it. And now you're going to take the bottom band and hook it up. You're going to take the same bottom band and hook it up over here. Now you have this cross in the middle. So now to hook with the second hexagon, you're going to push back that cross, hold the rubber band and hook it on to the next peg. Now you're going to hook this up and then take the bottom band and stretch it. Always remember to push the rubber bands down so you get more place to hook your bands. Now push back the cross again, catch hold of the rubber band and hook it straight and then to the middle. You're going to follow the same thing until the end of the loom. So at the end of the hooking, your loom should look like this. Now you have this cross in the middle at the last peg. So you are going to pass your hook through all of those bands. Take another single band and put it on the loom, and you're going to pull it out and stick the band on the hook. And now you're going to remove the bracelet from your loom. And now you're going to, as this much will be too small for any hand, you're going to make an extension. To make the extension, you're going to make a single chain. You're going to make a single chain according to your hand size. Now you're going to take the bracelet off the loom, off the hook, and put the top on the last band of your single chain. Now you're going to pull your bracelet back and start hooking the single chain. You're going to pull the bracelet back and catch hold of the bottom band and hook it. After you hook your bands, you are going to take the last band and stretch it to the center pin. This makes an area to put your S-clip. Now you are going to put the S-clip and take out the single chain from the loom. And now from the other side of the S-clip, you are going to clip the next part, the cap of the bracelet. As this was my first video, I hope you all enjoyed it, and this is how the bracelet is going to look at the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Requests and comments are welcome. Thank you for watching. Bye.